National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sioux County in south-central North Dakota, southeastern Morton County in south-central North Dakota, Grant County in south-central North Dakota, central Emmons County in south-central North Dakota, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 1:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 12:10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of St. Anthony to 4 miles north of Keldern, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 1:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a 57 miles per hour wind gust was reported 9 miles east-northeast of Carson. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Linton, Carson, Hazleton, Flasher, Fort Yates, Selfridge, Solon, Cannonball, Braddock, St. Anthony, Prairie Knights Resort, Shields, Lark, Raleigh, Leith, Temvick, Hazleton Recreation Area, Huff, St. Gertrude, and Standing Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.